It is VIVO Y17 and today I will show you how to delay click on it. In the first step to do that, we must navigate from main menu to our setting, where we look for an option more settings, and there one of the last option, accessibility. And in accessibility we go down to touch and hold delay, which is there, and it is short touch and hold delay. We can change it to medium or long, and when we press long, it can be helped when we touch the screen by chance, and until strong push it won't open anything. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.